Very good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's session. So, till last session, we have completed vowels and consonants regarding grammar, and after the introduction of textbook, I have been completing your lesson, textbook reading, question answers, and explanation of the lesson, spellings, their pronunciation, and even I have been conducted a test on spellings. Hope all of you have completed all that perfectly. In case if you have not completed, my dear children, again go through all that and complete it as soon as possible. So once again I welcome to my session, and today I am going to teach you basic grammar. So after completing vowels and consonants, so here I am going to teach you alphabetical order. So listen carefully and see the video as many times as possible till you understand. So let us go. So the alphabetical order. My dear children, listen carefully, and it is very simple if you understand it and listen it. So the basic thing you have to understand is here order, the alphabetical order. So as already you know, we have 26 letters in the English alphabet, A to Z, and among this you already learned that A, E, I, O, U. These letters are vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U are vowel letters, and the remaining letters are called as consonants. So today here I want you to learn order of the letters. Now these letters are in perfect order. After A we write B, after B we write C, after C we write D. So this is called alphabetical order. For example, to make you better understand, you know 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we call it as an order. After 1, 2 will come, after 2, 3 will come, after 3, 4 will come. This is the order always we follow. For example, if I ask you what will come before 3, you say 2 will come. What will come after 2? 3 will come. So mostly you people learn ascending and descending order. Which number will come first? After that, which number is going to come? In the same way here, after A, exactly we write B, and after B exactly we write C, D, E, F, G, H, I in this sequence. This is called the exact order of 26 letters in the English alphabet. Now if I ask you which letter comes after D, E will come. Which letter will come before E, D will come. Isn't it? Did you get my point? So you have to remember the correct order of the letters. Whenever I ask you, or whenever something gets into your mind, what comes before M? L comes before M. What comes after M? N comes after N. Like that. After N, O. After O, P. So exactly you have to remember the order of the letters. If I give you zigzag of the letters, you should be able to write which letter comes first, in that which letter comes next, like that. You should be able to write the given unscrambled letters into the correct alphabetical order. Did you get my point? So remember the order of the alphabets. So if any scrambled letters are given and asked you to make it into proper order, you should follow this order and make that unscrambled letters into perfect order. So in my next video, I'll explain you about the alphabetical order with an example.